po jako akawuwo.
I'd like to welcome my nationals back to the freedom they desire.
Minister avunanyizibwa ku nsonga z'ebweru w'eggwanga Honorable Sam Kahamba Kuteesa enkya ya leero asinzidde mu lukuŋŋaana lwa bannamawulire olutabiddwamu n'ambasada wa Rwanda mu Uganda Major General Frank Mugambagye n'ayanjulira bannamawulire bannansi ba Rwanda mwenda gavumenti be yaggyeeko emisango gyonna egibadde gibavunaanibwa era kati baddembe okuddayo mu ggwanga lyabwe.
Raising for a very long period of time are true and they have been happening. Number 2,
abateledwa babadde bamalidde ddala akabanga nga basibeera nga bawera ennemba n'emisango egiwerako wabula okuteebwa kwabwe minisita agamba nti kikoleddwa okwagala okutandikawo okuzzaawo emirembe n'enkolagana wakati wa Uganda ne Rwanda ebibadde biseebengeredde.
The government of Uganda has withdrawn charges against 9 Rwandese nationals that were undergoing prosecution in the court martial for various offences. The 9 individuals who have been set free are there, and I read them out by name. And I want to stand up when I read your name. Mr. Mugabo Nelson, retired Sergeant Reni Rutagungira.
Newankubadde nga bano mwenda bayimbuddwa kigambibwa nti si be bokka bali bakwatiddwa wabula kino minisita kitangaazizza koti olukalala lw'abakwatibwa baluyina bulungi era abamu ku bo baali bazibwayo dda okwaba obwe.
About the others who have not been released, what has happened to the others? We have a list that of names that were given to us by the Rwanda government through the High Commission. Many have been dealt with and have been deported through legal means, being sent to the border with Rwanda and being signed for by the immigration authorities of Rwanda. Many of them have returned.
Ekibadde kyebuuzibwa kwe kubeera nti Abanyarwanda bano okuggibwako obuggi bw'emisango tekiyina ngeri yonna gye kikontana na ssemateeka wa ggwanga nakyo minisita kitangaazizzaako.
In Uganda law, and I think many parts of the world, where you enter a nolle prosecute. A nolle prosecute is a process where you have someone who is charged, and during trial or before trial, you decide, for whatever reasons, to withdraw charges against him.
Major General Frank Mugambagye ambasada wa Rwanda mu Uganda agambye nti okuyimbulwa kw'abannansi b'e Rwanda ke kamu ku bubonero obulaga nti waliwo eddaala erituukiddwako mu kuzzaawo enkolagana wakati w'amawanga gombiriri.
I am appreciating this as a step in the right direction. And I'm mentioning step because I always like to be very clear that a step in the right direction needs to be followed by further action to end all the concerns that we have always raised over time.
Ono mu ngeri y'emu asabye Abanyarwanda bonna basigadde mu buduukulu abaali bakwatiddwa mu ngeri tali nnambulukufu bayimbulwe nabo baddizibwa okwaba obwe.
It's not only those that have been arbitrarily arrested, and so we'll request in a good gesture, as the minister said, that all those who were arbitrarily arrested, and I think we've been communicating this for quite some time, and are under illegal detention, should indeed also be released.
Tusobodde okwogerako n'abayimbuddwa ne batubuulira embeera yaabwe gye babadde nga bayitamu.
Twafunze turengana dushyiraho imanza tutazi ariko none dusubijwe uburenganzira biratunejeje rero Imana ishoboye kudutabara. Bamwe twari tumaze igihe kinini turi ahantu hatabona kubu ngubu nibwo mbonye hanze uko hasa ariko turashima Imana tugashima na leta yacu y'u Rwanda.
Ibintu badushyiraho turanezerewe imbere na mbere kubera ko badufungwe baturiha uburenganzira bwacu. Turashima leta yacu y'u Rwanda ko yadukurikiranye ibintu byose ariko ibintu badushyiraho.
Mukibi Samuel Kebo yakusakidde eggulire lino okulwa ABS television.
Nukubeshya nta biriho ariko turashima Imana ko baduhaye uburenganzira bwacu. by'umwihariko leta yacu y'u Rwanda